Hi y'all, I'm Melissa, and today what I got for you is Boxyluxe unboxing. So hopefully I can get everything in the screen for you so you can see how pretty everything is. Alright, so open it up. And we do have a card. It's Boxycharm, the Oasis, and I am number 16 on the variation. Alright. First thing that we got is the Tarte Tardis Pro. I'm super excited about this. Let me get it open. There we go, there's the front and the inside. Oh, oops. The inside looks really pretty. Alright. I'm super excited about the purples and the pink in there. Alright, so that's the first item, and let's see how much it is. It is $49 is the retail value. Alright, next we got the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. Let's see, there it goes. And now let's open it up. There we go. And let's see how much it is and what it says about it. It is Prime Essence is for anyone looking to take their makeup routine to the next level. This formula is enhanced with calendula flower extracts to minimize pores and smooth skin texture. Use it on its own or pair it with the No Problem Primer to create the perfect blank canvas for your next killer look. And it retails for $23. Alright. Next product, we got the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. I'm super excited about this too. I needed a good sleeping mask. Something fell. Oh, it's got a little. Oh, look at that. It's got a little thing to scoop it out with. That's awesome. Alright. That's what it looks like. Now let's read about it. Where is it? It's an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. It retails for $55. It's pretty good. Pretty excited about that. Alright. I just hope I don't lose the little scoopity doopity thing. Next, we have Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. And that's what the box looks like. And then let's pop it open. There we go. The Kylie Skin. Is there anything else in there? Oh no, it's just the box weird. Alright, let's read about it. Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And it retails for $24. Alright, so next we have the charcoal brush set by Billion Dollar well, it says $1 billion brushes, but I think it's $1 billion brows normally who makes them. Let's open them up. Alright, so we got a little contour brush. We got a powder brush. And we got 3 smaller, either eyeshadow. I think one is supposed to be a concealer brush, maybe. I don't know. Let's read about them. They're really soft. Okay. Let's see what's so good about this charcoal infused 5-piece brush set. These vegan, cruelty-free, and synthetic brushes are charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. It is $55 is the retail value. So we'll see how these $55 brushes perform. I need to clean all mine, so it's good I got some. I don't have to clean them just yet. Alright, next we got the Swell water bottle. This is actually, I picked this because I drink a lot of water and my kids like to steal all my water bottles. Ooh, pretty in pink, just my color. That's what it looks like. Oh, I'm gonna put this in the way. I can't get it to, okay. And let's read about what's going on with it. It's a stainless steel bottle. It's 17 ounces. Swell's bottles feature triple layer vacuum insulated construction designed to keep beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. Made from 18/8 food grade stainless steel with superior construction and allowing for refilling and reusing easily to reduce the need for single-use plastic water bottles. Hand wash only, and it retails for $35. Alright, that's a pretty expensive water bottle. I don't think I've ever owned a water bottle that expensive. Alright, so next we have a Audiography Lip Pencil 2-pack. That's the 2-pack. Let's open her up. Can't get them out. They won't come out. Well, I got one out, but the top's not wanting to come out. Okay, now the top stuck at the bottom. Oh well, I'll get it here in a minute. Alright, so we got 2 lip pencils. One kind of a nudie and one a little darker nudie color. Alright, let's read about these lip pencils. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Retails for $28. That sounds pretty good. It sounds like that would be smooth. But we'll see. Next and last in my box is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. That's the box. Let's open it up. That's what it looks like. Oh. And that's what the inside looks like as well. Let's read about this. This eye balm sticks delivers an a lip from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. That sounds wonderful. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. It retails for $28. So not too bad for an eye cream, actually. I mean, I've seen some a lot more expensive. So that was the last item in my box, and I'm like super excited. I think that I hit the jackpot this time. I've kind of been a little disappointed in my boxes the past couple of months, and I'm real excited about this. They did a great job on this one. We'll see about next month. We'll see. So I greatly appreciate you hanging with me, staying till the end, and I hope to talk to you later. And if you would, hit the like button if you like the video, and also subscribe if you enjoy. I do Boxycharm unboxings, and I also do not necessarily tutorials, but I go through and do my makeup and play with eyeshadows. We play with makeup on my channel, so if you like that and would like to see more, just subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell. So thanks for being here, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.